What do you want for breakfast? You want to point something out to me? You just want to get in the refrigerator? You want salad dressing or mustard? You going to close the refrigerator? Are you done with it? You don't want any food? Good boy. Uh-oh. It's all gone. Where'd it go? Can you get back in? Can you open it? Are you stuck? You closed it. Why can't you open it? You're trying really hard, huh? Would you like some help? Let's see what we can find for you, silly boy. So you want food? Hold on. I know it. You're hungry. Wait, hold on. Here you go. Hold. Hold. Ooh, you're so strong. What's in there? What do you want to eat? You want strawberries? Strawberries? Does that look good? What else do you want? Oh, come on, let's see what's in here. You want some plums, tomatoes, some lettuce. What else do you have? Watch out, I'm going to pinch your fingers. You will miss them. Apples. You push it shut. Good job.